All right, guys. So what I did just now is I just created a brand new live account, and I'm just going to start funding that account right now. Okay. The way that I personally fund my account is I'll go to where it says credit cards and debit cards / VLoad, right? And then from there, what will happen is they'll say that you can either buy a voucher or you could be able to redeem a voucher, right? But if you have never used VLoad before, it's going to force you to make an actual account, okay? So I would actually go into this website right here, right? It says vload.expert, right? And then from there, what you want to do is you want to literally just create an account, right? Or go to where it says register, right? Fill out your information, and then once you fill out that information, it'll create an account for you, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to log into mine, right? And then what you can be able to do is you can be able to load your account by clicking where it says buy, right? So you'll buy vouchers, and then you want to buy whatever you want, right? So let's say you want to do 500 US, right? Confirm, or let's say you want to, do more, whatever it is that you're gonna do. Right, so let's say I just did this, confirm. Right, now that was added into like a shopping cart. Go to the shopping cart, and then from there you go to pay, right? Right. Let's just say that I did this right here, confirm. Go to pay. Oh, I've been putting a lot of money in. All right, so it's not gonna allow me to do it. Okay, but that's how you do it. You go to pay, you pay, and then you're gonna get a voucher like number, right? You're gonna put that voucher number right here, and then just click redeem, and then you're done. All right, that's literally all you do, and I'm pretty sure from there you should be fine. You can also, after you've actually made your account with VLoad, what you'll do is you could be able to actually just put it in right here, click buy voucher, and then from there it'll automatically go into your shopping cart, and then you can click go to pay. You're gonna get a voucher number. Put that voucher number here, and that's it. Okay, guys. So hopefully you got value from that. If you have any suggestions of prior videos of videos that you want in the future, don't hesitate to be able to leave a comment, and we'll go on from there. So, I'm FX Pro now.